Akash, come on. Go on, Akash.
Relax.
Go on, Akash.
Go Akash.
Yeah, go on, Akash.
Smash him, man.
Go on, Akash.
Akash, go on, man.
Go on, Akash. Yeah.
Yeah, you already sorted him out, man.
Go on, my G.
Man, like, oh, Akash.
Go on, Akash. Guard up. Keep your guard up, fam.
Akash, guard up.
Yeah, my G. Go on. Oh, go to the body as well, fam. Yo, lick him in the body, fam.
Yes,
Yeah,
Akash.
go on, Akash. Lick him in the body, fam.
Fuck him up.
Yo, bang him. Bang him. Yeah, Akash.
Hey, bang him. Hey, go.
Bang him, man. Guard up, fam. Yo,
Akash,
the body as well. Go
Akash,
on,
go.
fam.
Hurry
Yo,
up.
lick him, fam.
Go
Yo,
Akash.
lick him in the body, fam. Right. Stay relaxed.
Go Akash. Keep him in the
Go on,
corner.
Akash.
Keep him
Bang
in the
on. My G.
Go on, Akash.
Go on, Akash. Straight to the body. Straight jump to the body, fam.
Come on,
Boom.
look at this kid.
Go on, Akash. Straight. Lick him.
Pinch him.
To the body, fam. Good, Tyler. Yo, go on. Go on, Akash. Guard up. Oh, guard up.
Akash, don't worry.
Yeah, my G. Go on. Go on, lick it.
Go on, Akash.
Go on, Akash. My G. Go on. Go on.
Yes, Akash.
Lick him in his face. Up, fam. My G. My G.
Akash, go on.
Right, lick him, fam. That's his wrong.
Akash got in. I knew it. Akash.
My G.
Mess him up. Look at him. Two more runs. He's got it. If you carry the ball like
Go on, Akash. Go on. Go on.
Lick him up again.
Akash, to the body, yeah?
Akash. Well, Akash, you got this. Combos, Akash.
Go on, Moji. To the body.
Yes,
lick it.
Akash.
Go on.
Go on.
Go on, Akash. Go on, Akash. Straight to the
Back him
body.
up.
Go on, Akash. Yeah,
Yeah,
Moji.
yeah.
Come on, fam. Lick him, fam. Yeah, Akash. Go on. Go on, Moji.
Go on,
Go on.
Hey,
Yeah,
count.
go on.
Hey, count. TKO.
Yes, Akash. Uppercut, uppercut.
Uppercut, Akash. Uppercut.
Yeah. Yeah.
Jim.
Akash, don't watch, fam. Don't watch.
Akash,
Don't watch.
go
Go for him.
Go
In the
for him.
corner.
No.
Lick him. Go on. Go on, Akash. Uppercut in his face. In his
Oh,
face.
yeah.
Go on, Mikey. He's holding, fam. Yeah, go on. Akash. Yo, go on. Go on, Akash. Yo, that's combo,
Mike.
Mikey. Yo, lick him in his left hook, fam. Left hook. He's like, yes, go on. Go on. Come on, fam. Go on. Yeah, Mikey. Akash, go on. Yeah,
Mess him up, Akash.
or straight. Or jump his head and jump his body, fam. Or to his body.
Jump
Go
to the
on.
head, jump to the body, Akash.
Go on, uppercut him.
Uppercut him. Uppercut.
Uppercut in his face.
Uppercut him.
Uppercut, go on. Go on, Akash. Yes, go on. Go on, Akash. Akash, go on. Go on. You got best time left. Go on.
Akash, go on.
Yes, Mikey.
Uppercut, Akash. Uppercut.
Yes. Yes, Mikey.
Come on, Akash.
Or just keep it in the bag, fam. Akash can.
Akash.
Or drop him, fam.
I can feel it. Cold you. Come on. Yeah, because he's overreaching. Yeah,
Go on, Akash.
Akash! Just go for it now.
Go on, Akash.
Yeah, it knows bees normally.
Go on, my
Go
G.
Akash!
Go
Got
on,
this.
fam.
Yes,
Go on.
right.
Yes.
Hurry up, Akash. Go on.
Yeah.
Yes!
Go on, that's yours.
That's yours.
Yeah, mighty.
Fix him up.
Mighty, go on. Lick him.
Come
Go
on, Akash!
Go on, mighty. Yeah,
No,
lick him.
Akash, come on.
Go on. Go on, Akash. That's yours, Akash. Go on, Akash.
Keep on him, keep on him.
Go on, Aki. Go on.
Like uppercut him.
Go on, finish him, fam. Finish him.
Right, nice.
Go on. Finish him, fam. You're licking Akash. Go on. That's yours, Akash. Go on, Akash. Go on. It's yours, fam. Lick him. You're
Come on,
to the
Akash,
body.
you got this.
Yo, go on.
To the body as well, to the body.
Go on. Go on, Akash. Go on, Akash. That's
Go on,
yours.
go on.
Go on. Go on. Go on, Akash. Yes, go on.
Akash,
Yes.
keep him in the corner.
Keep him in the corner.
Keep him in the corner.
Don't let him move. Don't let him move. Chase him down. Go on. Yes. Mighty. Come on. Go on.
Keep him in the corner.
Yes, mighty.
Keep
Go
him
on.
in the corner.
In the corner. Don't let him get out. Don't let him get out.
Come on, uppercut.
Finish his body. Yes. Come on. Yo, come on.
Come on, hey.
Keep him in the corner, fam. Don't let him get out of the corner. Yo, keep him in the corner. Keep him in the corner. Keep him in the corner.
Yes,
Keep him in the
come on.
corner.
Axe, get him
Go
on
on. To the body as well. To the body. Yeah, last time. Last time.
Go for it. Akash, go for it.
Last time.
Akash, go for it.
Last time.
Go for it.
Go on.
Uppercut.
Go on, Akash.
Akash.
Go on. That's yours, Akash. Go on, boy, G. No, definitely. Let's give it to Holmes. He licked him for 2 hours. Go on, Akash. Come on, Akash.
Akash.
He knows. My G.
Akash.
Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, say a praise for two boxing debut.
My G, Akash. Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, the result, bout number 5. Your winner by a split decision.